is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form for questionnaire. So first you may want to head over to forms.google.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your Google account. And from here, we're just going to start with a blank form. So just click on the add button. And from here, we can start by naming our form. So in my case, I'm just going to name this questionnaire. You can also add description regarding your questionnaire, and you have an option to collect emails from respondents. And from here, we can now start adding fields to our questionnaire. Just fill out the fields with the question. You can also change the answer type. Typically, for questionnaires, multiple choice and even rating is used. You can also change the maximum number of stars for rating up to 10. You also have an option to toggle required on if this specific question is required to be answered by the respondents. To add more questions and fields, just click on the Add Question button and do the same process. And once everything is done with your questionnaire, you can proceed by publishing it. Just click on the Publish button, then proceed by clicking on Publish once again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!